Yeah, what it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video, and I'm back in the shop tonight. That seemed to be a going thing. I seem to be in the shop at night all the time, and it's cool, but I work during the daytime, and they run my knees into the ground, man. You know what I'm saying? So I stay running during the daytime, and then y'all know when I get off work, I gotta hit that gym. You know what I'm saying? Which I've been slacking. I have been slacking. I only went one time this week, but you know, that's because Christmas coming around. And I've been setting up the house, wrapping gifts, you know what I'm saying? But John still ain't came and got these doggone wheels yet. He need to go ahead and come and get them, you know? But if y'all know anybody that wants some sets of wheels, the wheels on the green car are for sale. The 26s, they for sale. I'm probably gonna keep the regular stocks. And then I got some 22s over there, some blades. I got a lot of wheels for sale, but it's a lot of wheels on this side over here that need to go. But anyway, y'all know what it is. For those of y'all that keep up with my videos, y'all know what box this is. It's the chrome door handles. So I'm getting ready to install the chrome door handles on the yeah, y'all already know what they look like, but I'm getting ready to install them on the truck over here. And I'm gonna have to set up an appointment, man, because I hate this doggone exhaust, man. I like the way it sounds, but I don't like the way it look. So I'm probably gonna change that doggone exhaust for sure. You know what I'm saying? But let me pull her in here because it's a little chilly outside, and I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up while I pull the truck in. Yeah, I got it pulled on there, so I'm gonna let this doggone door down. Yep. I ain't got much heat in here, but a little bit of heat that I do got, I'm gonna keep it in here. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, but I'm probably gonna attempt to put that Kurt hitch on too, because that's a low profile Kurt hitch. That hitch right there. But I think I need like a flipper. There's a square right here behind this tag. So I may try to, I don't know, I may try one thing at a time, gang, you know what I'm saying? But what I do know is I am finna put those chrome door handles, because that is unacceptable. That right there is unacceptable. You know what I'm saying? And I've been looking for some bigger tires to go on this truck, because you know the tires just kind of look puny. You know what I'm saying? And I really don't know how I feel about that grill either, because that grill ain't fitting snug. You see the gap right here? It ain't fitting snug like it should. So I may end up putting the white grill back on it and just painting the front bumper, because I just don't like the way the grill is fitting. You know, you can't have that. I do like the chrome wheels though, but I'm still in the toss-up. With the wheels. I don't know if I want to keep these or put them on the Yukon, and take the wheels off the Yukon and put them on this, because I think that the wheels on the Yukon are more aggressive looking I don't know. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section. Y'all let me know. Yeah. Yeah. Cause I'm definitely gonna do away with the chrome grill. Yeah, it's gotta go. Maybe. But anyway, let's get to yeah. Y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? Fiduci. Let me know, Fiduci. You know what I'm saying? Let me know, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna take this door panel off and get to taking this door handle out. Yep. So she on there. She popped real good with the dog on the wheels. I just need tires. But what I can say is, door handles is a pain to change out, man. It's just a pain. Can't even lie. But I do like the chrome. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what's flipping. I do like the chrome better than that. Oh yeah, because the light's right there anyway. But this is a metal door handle. So if I ever wanted to go back, color matched, I have it. But I don't think that's gonna happen. I think I like them chromos, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I know you guys don't want to see that because this side right here was kind of a pain, but now that I know how to do it the easy way, I'm gonna go ahead and pop that other side in, and I'll come back once I get it in. All right, done. Of course, this side right here went smoother than the other side because I didn't have to take that panel off. But anyway, you can do everything you need to do with a pry tool and a 10 millimeter. But yeah, I like the way it look. Look real nice. But what I do know is it's cold. It's cold out here in this shop. I need some heat out here. Yeah, man, I like that chrome. I do. Yeah, boy, she look good up against them wheels. Anyway, if y'all still here watching this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I drop another video. And with that being said, I'm out, y'all. Peace.